Good morning, guys. It's Sunday morning, 6 o'clock. It's a bit windy, but we're gonna go poke our head out front of facing, see if we can find a few marks and hope to catch some fish. Come on, Jett. Oh my god, what are you doing, Jett? Ow! Ow! Do you want me to worry about that chick? You got it. What is it? Can't hear that. Little Mackie. You should get your vibe back. I was gonna say, do you want to lift up the camera, but you might get shark teeth in you. God, it's tiny.
Baby.
Oh. Poor thing. That it? Okay. Jess just hooked up to a good bluey. Missed half the fight, but you know, she'll be right. But wait, she's screaming.
Oh god.
Oh my god. Oh, sorry, I was getting the net for you. Get away from the prop.
Get out of the way.
Where is it? Oh, there. See if you can bring him this way. No.
Here we are.
Good job. Take a picture and send it to Richard. Good job. Lift it up for the camera. Lift it up for the camera. Oh, it's got no teeth.
No, I'm more worried about my hook.
It's caught now.
Very slow.
Pardon? Good job.
It's got threads in the bottom.
Oh.
Did you get railed?
Dad got seaweed.
Seaweed on a coral, look.
My bad.
Oh, missed it.
And Jett just had a whack but missed. Correction, guys, he's on. He's on. My mistake. Codley.
Checking the flex meter on it.
Break your rod.
That one on my rod, they'll probably punch it.
No, you'd throw me overboard if I did that to your rod.
She's texting the flex meter on it.
Oh. Hold it for the camera, Jett.
Oh.
Or not.
At least it's free.
It's okay. It's not like I needed him for footage or anything. Oh yeah, I'm on.
Oh, nice.
Fiji's massive.
Oh.
Yo. Stonker. Just going up Calliope River, and Jett's making so many excuses how he can't cast a net. So let's see how he's doing. How did you miss all of them?
I didn't see them. Let's give him a walk cast so he gets ready.
What are you doing, Jett?
I didn't even see the bait. I saw one. Yeah, you run with the bait.
Still being recorded, don't stuff up. Just drive the boat, Dad. Aye, aye, skipper. So far you caught nothing. I'll get back to you guys if we actually get stuff.